Suzlon, IndiGo, ICICI Bank, Cochin Shipyard, Karur Vysya Biocon, MTAR Tech among stocks in focus next week. Here's why. ICICI Prudential AMC has submitted its Red Herring Prospectus for an upcoming IPO. The issue will set aside up to 24.48 lakh shares exclusively for eligible shareholders of ICICI Bank. Domestic equity benchmarks Sensex and Nifty ended the week on a flat note, marginally higher after a volatile stretch. Both indices also touched fresh all-time highs during the week. Strong macroeconomic prints and the RBI's 25 basis point cut in the repo rate to 5.25% offset early pressure from continued FII outflows and a record weak rupee. Here are a few stocks that are likely to be in focus next week. Corporate actions: MRS Bectors Food Specialities, Bharat Rasayan, Deccan Gold Mines, VLS Finance, and Modison Ltd are among stocks which would turn ex-dates for corporate actions next week, BSE data showed. Results next week: Physicswallah, Fujiyama Power Systems, Excelsoft Technologies, Workmates Core2Cloud Solution, Prabhat Technologies, and a few others will post their quarterly results in the coming week, data compiled from BSE suggests. Interglobe Aviation IndiGo cancelled more than 400 flights across 4 major airports on Saturday, creating widespread disruption. In response to the sharp spike in airfares following the turmoil at the carrier, the center has instructed all airlines to comply strictly with the newly imposed fare caps. ICICI Bank disclosed in a Saturday filing that its subsidiary, ICICI Prudential AMC, has submitted its Red Herring Prospectus for an upcoming IPO. The issue will set aside up to 24.48 lakh shares exclusively for eligible shareholders of the parent bank. Suzlon Energy, in a post-market filing on December 5, Suzlon said it has received an order from the Gujarat state tax authorities on a legacy penalty involving Suzlon Global Services Limited, now merged with the company. The Deputy Commissioner of State Tax, Appeal, Gandhidham, accepted Suzlon's submissions on the alleged e-way bill violation and cut the penalty to Rs 50,000. It noted that the remaining Rs 19 lakh will be refunded. Karur Vysya Bank, private sector lender, announced a downward revision in its lending rates, slashing its external benchmark rate, repo-linked EBRR, to 8.55% from the existing 8.80%. Cochin Shipyard, the company on Saturday announced that it has signed contracts with Denmark-based Switzer to build advanced electric towing vessels. The Miniratna firm classified the order as significant, placing its value between Rs 250 crore and Rs 500 crore. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.